Good morning, children. Coming to the next part, here we are going to find out the common factors. There we studied, in the last video, we studied about finding out the factors. Okay, here we are going to learn how to find out common factors for two given numbers. The two numbers are what? 30 and 45. See, we are finding out factors of 30 and factors of 45. Factors of 30, 1 into 30 is 30, 2 into 15 is 30, 3 tens are 30. We'll go one by one. Okay, first in the table of 1, then 2, then 3, then in the table of 4 we don't have 30. Okay, then we have 30 in the table of 5. 5 6 are 30. Then 6 5s are 30 means it is repeating again, because since 5 and 6 have occurred once, we will not take 6 into 5. So what are the factors? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. For 45 similarly, we have 1 into 45, 45, 3 15s are 45 and 5 9s are 45. Then again we will get a repetition, 9 5s are 45. So we'll be taking till here. So 1, 3, 5, 9, 15, 45. Okay, 1, 3, 5, 9, 15, 45. Then what are the common factors? 1 is common in both. Okay, then we have 2 over here. We are not having 2 over here, so that is not common. Common factor means the factor has to be present in both the numbers, for both the numbers. 3 is common in both. Then we have 5 in common. Then we have 15 in common. So the common factors are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Now what if two numbers have no common factor except 1? For example, 12 and 17. 12 is 1 into 12, 12, 2 into 6, 12, 3 into 4, 12. So factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Then what are the factors of 17? 17 is only 1 into 17. 17 is a prime number. Okay. So the common factor over here is what? The common factor is only 1. When two numbers have 1 as their common factor, then those two numbers are known as co-prime numbers. Okay, co-prime numbers also have HCF equal to 1. The common factor is the HCF, the highest common factor, and the highest common factor over here is 1. So the co-prime numbers have HCF 1, or you can say if HCF of two numbers is 1, then they are co-prime numbers. Okay, then what are co-prime numbers? Numbers which have no common factor other than 1 are called co-prime numbers. We can add over here two numbers . Two numbers are said to be co-prime if their HCF is 1. Okay. Here we studied how to find out the common factors. Then from these common factors, how to find out the highest common factor we'll be studying over here. We'll study only one method here, that is the factor method. How to find out HCF, the highest common factor, using the factor method. We will take the same example over from here. Okay, HCF of 30 and 45. There we found out that factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. And factors of 45 are 1, 3, 5, 9, 15, 45. Then we take the common factors. Common factors are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Now what is the highest common factor over here? Which one is the highest common factor? 15 is the highest common factor. Okay, so the HCF of 30 and 45 is 15. HCF of 30 and 45 is equal to 15. Okay. Here we are going to find out the HCF of 20 and 50. First for 20 we will write 1 into 20 is equal to 20. 2 into 10 is equal to 20. 20 does not lie in the table of 3. It is there in the table of 4. 4 5s are 20. It is there in the table of 5. 5 4s are 20. So it is a repetition. We will not take. So first we will write the factors of 20 are, okay, 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Then for 50 we will find out 1 into 50 is equal to 50. 2 into 25 is 50. 50 is not there in the table of 6 because 5 plus 0 is 5, which is not divisible by 3. 50 is not there in the table of 3, sorry, because 5 plus 0 is 5, which is not divisible by 3. In the table of 4 also we don't have 50. Then in the table of 5, 5 tens are 50. Then we have 50 in the table of 10. 10 5s are 50. So we can write the factors of 50 are 1, 2, 5, 10, 25 and 50. Okay. Then we are going to write the common factors. Common factors equal to 1, 2, 5 and 10. Then what is the highest common factor of 20 and 50? HCF is 10 is the greatest number, so that is equal to 10. So HCF of 20 and 50 is 10. I hope this is clear. Now how to identify the pairs of co-prime numbers? We have taken two numbers from here from exercise 6D, question number C, number 1, 18 and 35. So first we are going to find out the factors of 18 and factors of 35. Factors of 18 are 1 into 18 is 18. 18 being even number divisible by 2. 2 9s are 18. 8 plus 1 is 9 divisible by 3. 3 6 are 18. 18 does not lie in the table of 4. 5 and then again it is there in the table of 6. 6 3 is 18. So it is repetition. So we are going to stop finding factors over here. So the factors are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Then what are the factors of 35? 1 into 35 is 35 and 5 7s are 35. So factors of 35 are 1, 5, 7 and 35. Now what is the common factor between of these two numbers? Okay, we have only 1 as their common factor, isn't it? We have only 1 as the common factor. So the highest common factor of HCF of 18 and 35 will be how much? It is going to be 1 because only 1 is the common factor. So the HCF is also 1. So when HCF is 1, then these two numbers 18 and 35 are said to be co-prime numbers. Okay. Let us see another example. 12 and 30. Okay, so first we will do what? We will find out factors of 12, and then what we will do? We will find out factors of 30. Factors of 12, 1, it is divisible by, okay, 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4, then again 4 into 3, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Factors of 30, 1 into 30, 2 into 15, 3 into 10, 5 6 then again 6 5 repetition, so 1 2 3 5 6 10 15 30. Okay, then common factors are what? Common factors are 1 2 3 6, isn't it? 1 2 3 and 6 are the common factors. Okay, since the HCF of 12 and 30 is equal to 6, since this HCF is not 1, then hence 12 and, since HCF is not equal to 1, hence 12 and 30 are not coprimes. Coprime numbers. Clear?